Hi guys, Sorin here from Omniconvert. In this video, I'll show you how to create a branching logic survey to find out why your visitors are leaving without buying. Let's start by going on and clicking on the survey on the left side menu and create a survey. On this page, we enter a title for our survey and choose between these two options, a pop-up survey or a widget survey. For our example, we will select the pop-up survey. In this step, we must enter the questions of our survey. For each question, we have multiple answers type. For this particular question, we will choose the unique choice. Now that we've completed the first question, we click Save and create the next one. For this question type, we select an open answer, which is large text answer, and click Save. For the third question, we select the similar large text answer. Once we've set all three questions, to apply the branching logic, we go to first question and edit it. For each type of an answer, we select the proper next question. For yes answers, we select what holds you from buying the product now. And for no, we choose what were you looking for and did not find. Click Save. In order for the visitor to not see the third question if he will go onto the yes answer branching logic, we go to the second question, edit it, and from the advanced settings, we select the option to go to end screen once the second question is answered. Click Save. Now let's go to the lead collector step. Here you have the possibility to add a header to your lead collector. In the fields requested, you can either add more fields or erase the ones that you do not need. Below, you can set up to receive the leads by email, choose from a mailing list provider, or use the webhooks to receive them directly into your database. Next is the design step. In here, for our example, we select the triggering method to be on exit. You can play around with the colors and the font size for general style, for the question and button also. For our example, we will select the background of the button to be white and use the advanced CSS field to enter a custom CSS for our example today. Below, you have a preview window that will show you exactly how the survey will look. Right now, this is the intro page of your survey. To stop this from appearing, you just need to go to the text tab and erase the intro message from here. When you go back to the design tab, the survey will start with the first question. Here is the GDPR consent text box. If you don't want to use it, just go to text and delete this copy here. Onto the text tabs, you have the possibility to add a header for your survey or modify the thank you message. Next is the audience step. In this part, you enter the links of the pages where you want your survey to run. You also have the possibility to exclude certain pages. Below is the segment of visitors option, from which you can select the segment already created by you previously or create a new one. For our experiment, we just leave it to all visitors. Next, you have the possibility to select the amount of visitors to be included in this survey and the frequency with which this survey will appear to your visitors. For now, we will leave it one time per lifetime. Next step is the scheduling step. In here you can set up a start and end date for your survey. Under advanced settings, you can exclude days, hour intervals, or time zones. To publish it, just click on this button here. Thank you for watching.